Greetings and salutations. You won't show my name. So these are Jordan Post slides. They were on sale. It was an impulse buy. And that's all I have to say about that. But aren't most slides impulse buys? You know, do we really need slides? Do we need 30 of them? Probably not, but we end up with 30 of them. So, Jordan Post slide, I went down in size. There was some descript information regarding sizing for women to size down a half size. I'm not a woman, but it said they run big, so instead of going up to a 12, I went down to an 11. So we'll see if that was the way to go. If not, these are going back. They were like a light blue, or no, it was a football gray color. If I can get them open without destroying the box. So I know absolutely nothing about these slides. Ooh, they feel like the Shibui slide. Maybe a little firmer. Which the Shibui slide is it's an underrated Puma foam slide. I have 2 of them. They're very cheap. You can get them on eBay. I will make a video on them at some point in time. These feel like that, like the Shibui slide. Shibui. But these are the Jordan Posts. Not too shabby looking. We got some light texturing on the sole. Here, let me get the light on. Oh, it's not plugged in. Hang on. All right. Back to it. We got some light texturing. There's some just like stippling, some dots, and then we got some lines. But it creates a nice little pattern, a little wave pattern. Looks like we've got a little, if I don't drop it, looks like we've got a little arch support, not too bad. And there's a little bit of a toe groove up top you can see. Yeah. Looks like we got some fat toes up here. So that's not too bad. These might have been the right size to go. And so we've got plenty of room. We will find out. Single injected foam. There's the injection point. That's the cleanest injection point I've ever seen, and they even specify where it goes, or where it entered the form. That's kind of cool. You know, it's a blemish on every other slide, so you might as well make it a focal point. And we got the little fly man. So, they're very lightweight. The foam doesn't feel very dense. It's kind of nice and squishy. We will throw them on foot and see how they are. We'll save you from being exposed to more of my cringe. Imagine that. The left one looks like the right one. Sorry, more cringe. I like the little 23s on the paper though. It feels like gift wrapped. I don't know if you wanted to look at these anymore. Got that stippling on the top too. It's a little more aggressive up top. So they're pretty basic looking in terms of the overall design, but that might be a good thing. Some of the best things in life are simple. Those Shibui slides are super basic. Let me show it real quick just because I'm talking about it. Here's the Shibui. These are fantastic. I got 2 pair. I have an 11 and a 12. I bought the 11s to start. And they fit a little snug. I can't wear them with socks, so I got the 12 so I can wear them with socks. But these are very squishy. These are a sleeper slide. Not a lot of people. It says 11, but it's UK sizing. Not a lot of people know about these, and they are fantastic, especially for the price point. But that's what comes to mind just at a glance with these Jordan posts. So, all right, enough of that. We'll throw them on foot. These Ofos slippers are fantastic if you're looking for a pair of warm winter slippers. Yeah, 11s are the way to go. So size down. If you're on a half size and you're looking at these Jordan posts, I would size down. Lengthwise, that is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I think if I went up, they would have been a little big. They do feel a little firm. They're not as comfy as my Shibui slides, but these aren't bad. These are very lightweight. It's one thing with the density of this foam is a little less dense than those Shibui slides. Those Shibui slides are a little more of a gummy, kind of a rubbery foam, but I really enjoy that texture. Where these feel a little less dense and a little firmer, but they've got a good ergonomic to them. Like the footbed isn't bad. I pointed out that little arch support at the beginning of the video. I feel that underfoot. So if you've got any bit of an arch and you need a little arch support, these do have some arch support. So they feel pretty comfy. That strap is relatively tight, which makes them very well fit. They're not sloppy or flopping around. Let me get the down low shot. Hang on. All right, so as I was saying, these fit pretty snug. That strap is nice and tight. It's not floppy. So we've got just a little bit of a heel rise with the slide. It's not too bad. These feel very secure. I don't feel like I would trip in these at all. So these are pretty good. I will probably keep these. I don't know how much I'll wear them, but I'm learning that if I keep what isn't terrible, I can use them as a point of reference later on in future videos. Part of me wishes I would have kept the Infinity Mule just for a point of reference, even though it didn't fit very well. But we've got something that will fit the place of that Infinity Mule, because they came out with an Infinity Slide, and that is the next video that we have to film. But I digress. These are decent. Like I said, I'll probably keep them. They're nice and light. They fit well. They run big, size down. I think they had 3 colors. There was, I think, just a white and a black, and then this team gray or whatever they call it, which is, it's kind of a grayish off-white. It's kind of a cool white. There's a little, very, very little bit of a blue to it. It's kind of a coolish gray. And I think that's it. Those were the only options. And these were on sale. I think I got them for like $27 or something. I'm not sure what they initially run for. Retail, it might have been like $35. I know the sale wasn't super big, but after tax and shipping, I still ended up paying like $35 for them or something, which isn't too bad. You know, for I think anything under $50, if it isn't completely garbage, then it's worth the money, because there's a lot of things that cost $50 in the slide and shoe world that are completely garbage. But these are not them. These are not those. These are good. So if you're looking for a cheap slide, you're eyeing these and you're like, hey, let me go find a video on them, and then you go on YouTube and there's no videos on them. Fortunately for you, I made this one. No, these aren't bad. Definitely get them on sale though if you can, because they are just a cheap slide, cheap foam slide. Decent ergonomic, relatively firm footbed, but they're very lightweight. So if you need something light to throw in like a sports bag or something, these are golden. And even maybe for their lightness, I give them like a higher grade. I was gonna say, if you want something a little more squishy, that Shibui slide that I showed you, cheaper, go on eBay. But they're not as light as these. They have a little more weight to them, but they're really squishy. And especially as like a shower slide, those Shibui slides are really nice because they get softer in warm water. I wear my 11s in those as my shower slide. But these would probably be a decent shower slide too though. So, all right, I won't make this video any longer than it has to be. So we will wrap this up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos on slides and Crocs and other similar things that go on your feet. All right. See ya, thanks.